Google Maps is placing you in a 3D space with a view of the road features, buildings, and terrain around you. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Google Maps is getting a massive overhaul with the launch of Immersive Navigation. It's an entirely new take on navigation and could be called the biggest update in over a decade. Immersive Navigation highlights things like crosswalks, traffic lights, and lanes in a way to make taking turns easier. Google says the feature uses Gemini models to get spatial understanding of your route. These models analyze fresh, real-world imagery from street view and aerial photos to give you an accurate view of things along your route, like landmarks and medians. Beyond the new look, Immersive View uses smart zooms and transparent buildings to give you a better look at what's coming up on your drive, including potentially tricky merges and turns. Voice guidance has also received an overhaul to sound more natural. Google says it'll help you plan your next step. Like if you have 2 exits on the way, it'll say, go past this exit and take the next one for Illinois 43 South. Maps is finally making it easier to understand what to expect with alternate routes and where to go at your destination. The app will give you a list of trade-offs for alternate routes, such as one being slower but with less traffic. Once you reach your destination, it'll give you recommendations on where to park, highlighting the building's entrance and which side of the street to be on. Immersive Navigation is rolling out in the US and will expand in the coming months to eligible iOS and Android devices, CarPlay, Android Auto, and cars with Google built-in. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.